Hi everyone, this is Sean of PooLin. Long time no see, and today I'm going to show you how to maintain your EOX to extend its lifespan and to improve the embroidery precision. So let's take a look at how to protect your EOX and make everything goes alright with it. And before we get started, let's take a real quick look at all the tools and all the oils you'll be using in the next steps. We only need 3 types of oils: sewing machine oil, full synthetic oil, and fully synthetic lithium grease. Sewing machine oil is the most common type and is easy to purchase anywhere. When you open the toolkit, you will also find that we have offered a bottle of sewing oil for you already. For fully synthetic motor oil and fully synthetic lithium grease, we recommend the Mobile 1 brand. It performs better with your machine. We usually use a squeeze bottle with a long nozzle for better precision. In addition, I also recommend using an oil pan, which makes it easier. When using grease, we recommend preparing a small brush. Now let's begin. We start the oiling while the machine is powered off. There are 3 main points for sewing machine oil: the bobbin, the needle bar here, and the needle bar above. As for the bobbin, if you use your machine frequently every day, we recommend oiling it daily. And usually, 3 to 5 jobs is enough. For the 15 needles bars above, you can do them once a week. 3 to 5 jobs is enough. Since the upper needle bar is not easy to access, you can use an oiling pan to do it. For the lower needle bar, you will need to take the Phillips screwdriver from the toolkit and remove the metal plate. When reinstalling the metal plate, make sure to push it upward firmly during installation. Otherwise, it may press against the lower thread coil. And there are 2 points where the fully synthetic motor oil should be used. On the sides of the machine, there are 2 small oiling holes. Apply 3 to 5 drops of oil into each hole, once every 2 weeks. And next, we'll be using the fully synthetic lithium grease once half a year. Use the Phillips screwdriver from the toolkit to remove the screws and open these 2 covers. Use a brush to pick up a small amount of the grease and apply it to this area. At the same time, rotate the color change hand wheel to ensure the grease is evenly distributed. Next, loosen the cover screws and remove the cover. Then, dip the brush in the grease and apply it to the screw connection area. After maintenance is complete, reinstall the cover plate. Okay, that's it. Maintaining your EOX is pretty simple, right? So we just wanted to make sure you will get the best result in all your embroidery project. And follow the tips, your machine will be smooth and reliable for many years. So for more content, we'll be seeing you in the next videos. Goodbye.